This is the Parkray Aspect 5 Eco. It's 5 kilowatts, so there's no requirement for air vents in houses that are older than 2008. It also comes with direct air for newer properties. It's DEFRA approved, Eco Design, runs at 80% efficiency. It has Clear Skies level 5, which is the highest level they give, and it produces just 0.1% in CO emissions. It's a high quality and tough British steel and cast iron stove. It's built for evening and weekend use. It's very, very clean, but it does also have fantastic control, which allows you to get more serious and constant use. Aesthetics were really important to the design of this stove. As you can see, it's dominated by this huge piece of glass, allowing the fire to give you everything that it has to offer. The control is just one single air control through a fan design on the back, which, as I said before, can be directly fed so that there are no drafts in the room. It has a solid handle design that comes as standard in this stainless steel, but you can pay for a black handle if you prefer. It also is designed to get less hot, so you can operate it even when the stove is hot. But the stove does also come with a glove and an ash scoop for clearing the ash. You also have a few other options. The stove as standard is wood only, but you can get an add-in grate, and also there are a couple of log store versions as well for if the stove is going to be freestanding in the room. This stove is made from 5mm steel, so it is built to last. It has a thick and heavy cast iron door, and rather than standard glass, this stove has Japanese polished glass, which is designed to look and stay cleaner. The air system is all fed through the direct vent at the back. It gets preheated and then divided up into 3 areas before entering the main firebox. It comes in at the base at the back for primary combustion, secondary air down the glass to keep it clean, and tertiary air to reburn gases before they reach the flue. Finally, the whole firebox is lined with refractory brick linings. These are designed to increase efficiency and drive and reflect more heat into the room. This makes for a beautiful look, low emissions, high efficiency, those slow, controlled, wavy flames, and a stove that's built to last. If you're after a clean burning stove, you like British design, a big piece of glass. If you're burning mainly wood, you want flexibility and efficiency with the option of burning it much more controlled, perhaps for longer periods, then the Parkray Aspect is definitely one to go and see at your local Parkray dealer.